Let me get you.
No, stop, don't stop, we're not done. Finish, strong. All the way to the draw. All the way in. That was fun. What did we just do? What did we just do, Mom? She's got her playlist. Mom, what did we just do? Take out your earbud.
My son.
What did we just
In
do?
the rain.
What did we just do?
It was amazing.
Take out your earbud. What did we just do?
Ran in the rain with my son, and it was amazing.
Let's say about 4.5 miles.
4 mile loop.
We started in the rain and then it stopped raining at the end.
Thank you, God.
And the sun came out.
Give my son a hug. Thank you for running with
This
me.
is how I got my love of running from you, my mom.
Thanks for running with me. Nothing stops Ben.
Hold on.
Stops Ben.
I don't know if we're in the frame.
Oh, thank you for running with me, my special angel son.
That was a gift.
No, it was started off raining. Ben says no to nothing, and it was awesome. Wow, and it just stopped. So now let the party begin.
Now, Mom was the one that led the way at the door, and I just followed
How
suit.
fast did you bolt off that couch? You bolted. I
was a couch potato in the class. Mom comes just appears out of nowhere and says she's going for a run in the rain.
You were respecting Grandma and Pop-Up.
And I dashed out the door before she left.
You didn't want to take away from Grandma and Pop-Up time, and so you were totally chill, staying home. As soon as Ben had the opportunity, though, bolted.
You turned the switch off.
Love you.
Love you, Mommy.
Love you.
Great job.
Aww.
Thank you.
I'm priceless.